Hey guys, welcome to today's video. What I'm going to talk about today is the brush knife made by STIHL. It's an accessory that you can use on some of the STIHL trimmers. And if you do any sort of trimming other than grass around your foundation or sidewalk or light weeds, it's something you might want to look into. If you try to trim with a string head on any sort of brush that's heavier than that, you're most likely either going to not be successful or you're just going to use a whole lot of trimmer line. So instead of being frustrated or unsuccessful, I always switch over to the brush knife anytime I want to do any sort of trimming on brush. We're going to go over the installation today, and we're also going to do a demo. All right, so the brush knife comes with a few extra parts here that you won't normally have on your string head. So you may want to make sure you have those. If you don't have this here, which is used to stop the shaft when you spin off the head, you can also use a Phillips head screwdriver of an equivalent size. That just goes in the top here and keeps the shaft from spinning while you're trying to take on and off the heads. All right, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and flip the trimmer over. It's a lot easier to work with it this way. Let's go ahead and take the string head off and go ahead and stick that in the hole. Like I said, till it locks. And then for this, you're going to do clockwise to get it off. This is left-handed threads. Go ahead and place your knife blade on there. Make sure it aligns with that collar. Piece. Like I said, left-handed threads. You need this wrench. Comes with the trimmer. If you don't have that, you can find a socket and a ratchet. Not a big deal if you don't have it. Snug her up. That's it. I think STIHL says that you don't have to have the cover or the line cutter or anything like that on there. You can see it really doesn't do anything. I just leave it on myself. If you feel like going through the extra trouble to take it off, you can do that. One thing you definitely want to do, which I think you should be doing even if with a string head, is wearing safety glasses when you use this. This especially, like I said, the cover doesn't really seem to do a whole lot. This thing will throw a lot of debris, so make sure you wear eye protection. But overall, it does a very good job with any sort of heavier weeds or small brush, small saplings. I'd say maybe up to about 1 inch in size before you start to have trouble with this too. Anything above that, you might just want to use a small chainsaw or clippers or something like that to knock something down if you need to. But otherwise, this makes quick work of everything else. All right guys, so there you have it. You can see that the brush knife does a pretty good job on all kinds of bigger brush and different kinds of saplings and stuff like that. It's definitely not something that does a very good job for grass, so it's not going to be a one size fits all attachment. So you want to keep your string head for that kind of work also. So that's what I always do. I just use the string head for around the house, and if I have some sort of project where I need to clear some brush out, I throw on the knife blade. You can see it only takes a couple minutes, do my job, and then swap it back for regular use again. All right, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.